Hello friend, it's my pleasure to welcome you guys to my channel, Exact Graphics and Multimedia, and my name is Rafi Yakubu right here. And today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can type around in a circle using your corelDRAW techniques without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end and see how you can easily type around in a circle using corelDRAW. With that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how you get it done. But before I get to the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so whenever I upload content about corelDRAW, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly, if you have any question for me as far as the tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can type in a circle using your corelDRAW techniques. First thing first, you have to go to your toolbar right here and make sure you select your circle. And having selected your circle, you have to come to the workspace and press down Ctrl key and draw a perfect circle. So always make sure you press down Ctrl key. If you do that, you are going to have a very perfect circle. Once you are able to type in the circle, then press P to centralize. So next thing you have to do is to go to your type tools. So you have to go to your type tools from your toolbar, select your type tools. So when you select your type tools, then you have to make a type in whatever text you want to write. So in this regard, I'm going to type in how to type in a circle. Okay, I want to type just like that. Then you can work with font style and increase font style as well. So now once you are able to type, the purpose is to type this is to make this type to fit around this circle right here. So for you to do that, you have to come to your menu bar right here, go to type, then from type, make sure you select fit text to part. So immediately you click on fit text to part, you can see your mouse change to part. So from there, you can take it to the circle and snap to the circle. It's as simple as that. So you can control the alignment and the stuff like that as far as the circle is concerned. You can also increase the font size. For you to do that, you can come to the top right here and you can type in whatever figure you would like to increase. Okay, I think 30 is much. Let me see 25. Okay, now we need to adjust this text into the center of this circle. For you to do that, you just have to come to the top right here and then you can easily play around with this figure right here, or you type in the figure as the case may be. So you continue doing it until you are able to achieve what you are looking for. Right now, we still need to adjust it. We can just easily drag like this. Now we need to type at the bottom of this circle also, so that we maintain the perfect type in a circle that we are trying to achieve. And also, we still need to make this text out of this circle so that there should be a little bit gap within this circle and text. Okay, so for you to create a simple space, you just have to drag to the top, stuff like this. And if you're satisfied with this, you can just leave it this way, or better still, you can take it down a little bit more. Or you can control the figure right here. So you can control the figure right here. Okay, so I'm satisfied with that. So for you to type at the bottom of this text, it is very simple thing. All you have to do is to make a duplicate of this original text. For you to do that, you have to go to edit and click on copy. Then edit again and paste. So the duplicate one now, you can just drag it this way. Sorry. So you can just drag the duplicate one. Sorry, Z. So you can just press Ctrl D. So when you press Ctrl D, press Shift key and select the original one, then letter C and then letter E. This allows you to align to the vertical center and horizontal center. So you can select the duplicate one now. For you to differentiate between the duplicate and the original one, you can change the color to blue. So we have the duplicate object right here. So for you to rotate this, you just have to drag from the top, drag it down to the bottom this way, and make sure you maintain the same interval. So you can see we have it typed in this way. Now we need to rotate this from backward to front. So for you to do that, you have to come to the home tab here and make sure you flip. So you can see, and then flip this way. So once you flip, then the next thing is to type whatever you want to type. So you have to start to your typing from the bottom and type in a circle. Okay, so we still need to work with this particular one right here because this circle needs to be rotate. So for you to do that, you have to come to your text mirror horizontal. Then text mirror vertical. Then you can easily drag it out. Then mirror horizontal again. Then you can easily adjust it. Okay, you can also increase the font size if you are not satisfied with the font size. So let's try 30. Okay, so from the top also, let's try and put in 30. Okay, so the next thing we can do here is that we have to break all this text apart. So for you to do that, you have to go to your object. From object, make sure you look for break text apart. So when you're able to break text apart, it allows you to delete the circle. Then select the second object and go to object. Make sure you choose break text apart. With that, you should be able to differentiate between the text, the curved text, and the circle. Okay, now you can fall back to the circle and press Shift key on your keyboard, then drag it out, then place with your right click. With that, you should be able to have the circle in a duplicate and a perfect stage. Then the next thing you have to do is to select the inner circle, press Shift key and select the duplicate circle. Once you are able to do that, then you should be able to have stuff like this. Then at this top here, you have to choose combine. Having choose combine, this allows you to fill only the circle. So you can fill this circle with whatever color of your choice. I fill it with red. Right click on it and then go to order, back of page, boom. Now you can easily allow your text to have different color of your choice. Select the upper text, select the bottom text and fill it with color of your choice, boom. So you can now select everything. Then you can come to the color palette from the top right here, right click on that. Then you get to remove all stroke. With that, you can come to the home tab again and group all the objects. Once you are able to group your object, you can resize to whatever size of your choice. So you can press P to centralize and do whatever stuff like you want to do. So guys, this is how you can easily type in a circle using your corelDRAW technique step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumb up, and also don't forget to subscribe for more tutorial like this in corelDRAW. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.